Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Deepak.R, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from the Department of CSE Cyber Security. Today, I am going to explain about the waterfall model in software engineering. The waterfall model, a comprehensive overview. This presentation explores the waterfall model, which means a sequential approach to software development known for its structured and well-defined phases. Understanding the waterfall software development lifecycle. Sequential approach. The waterfall model follows a linear progression where each phase is completed before moving on to the next. Define stage. Now let us discuss about the phases of waterfall model. Phase 1. Requirements gathering and analysis. In this, let us discuss about elicit user needs. Elicit user needs involves understanding. Phase 2. System design and architecture. System architecture. It defines the overall structure, components, and interactions of the software system. Detailed design. It specifies the design of each module, including data structures. Phase 3. Implementation and coding. Coding. The developers write code based on the design specifications. Database development. Design and implement the database structure to store and manage data. Integration. Phase 4. Testing and validation. Unit testing. It involves in testing individual units of code. Integration testing. This integration testing involves in the interaction between different modules. System testing. Phase 5. Deployment and release. Deployment. Installing the software on production servers. Release. It makes the software available to users. Documentation. It involves in providing. Now let us discuss the advantages of the waterfall model. The waterfall model is structured and it is also well defined, which means each phase has specific objectives and deliverables. And this waterfall model. Now let us discuss about the limitations and challenges of the waterfall model. The waterfall model is rigid. It is difficult to accommodate changes in requirements and it has a limited feedback since it adapting the waterfall model in modern software development. Iterative development. This iterative development involves in breaking down the project into smaller iterations. Earlier feedback. Thank you for watching my video.